you doing, guys? Today I'm going to show you what kind of equipment I got and how I hook up my base station to a Wilson 1000 mobile antenna. Setup time takes about 30 seconds, not even. Takedown time, even less. Here's what we're looking at right here. If you can see that. Room's a little messy, but there's your Wilson 1000. It's a mobile mount whip antenna, 6 feet. And it'll be running on this RC2985. And I'm going to show you how to set this up, or how I set it up anyway. I could probably get a better signal doing it another way. But for what I got over here, I like a quick takedown. I don't like having my antennas out there the whole time. So we're just going to use this this whip antenna right here. It's a Magnum mount. Wilson 1000. This is about 25 years old. I got it down at R&R Communications down in Delaware. Back then it was about $60. Now they go for about $95. So we're going to just go out here. I'm going to do this in a series of steps, and we'll see what we got here. Okay, so what I got here is when we moved into this house, they had one of those ugly mauve green, whatever you want to call this, like drab green caloric metal cabinets that we had a whole bunch of, and I left the handle on because this thing's got a little bit of weight to it. You can see it's a solid piece. It's about a ½ inch, maybe 5/8 of an inch thick, all metal, as you can see that, and you know, very magnetic. And the cool thing about this is that I got the hinges left on there, and what they do is they lock this into place. When I put this up on my roof, you can see that hinge. It won't actually go beyond, you know, see it? So that's good because it locks up on my roof right about there, right inside the gutter. And you can see as I put this in, you can see that hinge right there. And I use that as like an anchor to fit right inside here, right in my gutter. And I do the same with the other one. And there you go. It doesn't look like much of a setup there, but it allows me to get out, you know, pretty good. I shoot some DX over here, and again, it's real small. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my my Magnum mount over here. Pick up the Magnum mount. You have to uncoil this a little bit. Not too big of a problem though, and I'm taking my time right now because I'm holding the camera. If I wasn't holding the camera, this would already be set up. And what I'm going to do is just pop it on right about here. You can see that. Perfectly right in the middle. Okay. Just about directly in the middle. Maybe it's got to go over a ½ inch. And I try to do that and get it right in the middle because it gives me a real good SWR, as I'll show you in a second. I got a phenomenal SWR doing this. So there you go. It's right about the middle. I should mark that out. I haven't though. And it's already connected into the CB, but I have to unravel the wires over here, so give me a second here. All right, now that I have the CB actually hooked up, this is my Ranger 2985DX. It's a phenomenal radio. It's actually a 10 and a 12 meter. Actually, I think it's I think it's 10 and 12 meter. It's got AM, FM, sideband, and CW. And the cool thing about this is that I had the extra channels put in. I run 24.0 to 32.0 megahertz in increments of a single kilohertz. So I don't talk by channels, I talk on frequencies. And I like it that way. So here we go. I got the CB channels thrown in there. I'm going to turn this thing on. Turn the volume up. I'm going to get this thing going to SWR. I'm going to start it on channel 20. CB channel 20, 27.205 in AM. I'm going to put this to calibrate. And for calibrate, I'm making sure that our meters are off. We don't really need anything on there. I just touch the calibrate button over here and get this right in the little set mark right there. You can see that. There we go. Now I'm going to hit the SWR, and we're going to see what my reading is. Watch this thing not even move. This is incredible. Not even moving. That's a perfect SWR. That's 1-to-1. And there you go. Now for the, I don't know if anybody's out there right now. If I take it off SWR, we can actually see that I'm hitting, I just clipped and peaked, so I should be doing a couple more than the 10 watts on AM that it advertises. I'm doing about 22 watts on AM. Okay. Sideband, I'm well over 40. I'm about 45 to 50. Let's see if we can get anybody out here. How about that 904? How about you, 904? You got 523 shouting for you. How about you, 904? You got 523 on this end shouting for you. Come on. We got a crowded channel. Where you located, CB Shop? Where's that CB Shop located? There's a lot of crap on the channel right now, so I'm just going to go pan around, see if I got anybody. I know a couple guys on 32. We'll try here. How about you, 366? You out there? How about that 366? Not really getting anybody right now, but as you can see, I got the SWR down perfect. I'm kicking about 22 watts on the AM side, and that's going to be probably double that or a little more on the sideband side. That's without an amplifier. So there you have it. There's my setup, and I'm sticking with it. Thanks for watching.